So this is number 8 on the multiple angle trig equations worksheet. Okay, so we're going to find all answers between the interval of 0 and 2 pi with this equation. So first thing we're going to do is minus the square root 3. So tangent of 6 theta equals negative square root 3. So I'm going to get on to, or use my unit circle and figure out where tangent is negative square root 3. And I've already written through all my tangents. So tangent is negative square root 3 at 2 pi thirds and at 5 pi thirds. So I'm going to say 6 theta equals 2 pi thirds plus pi n. Okay, and we're going to use pi n because that's usually the cycle. Remember, if tangent has a cycle of pi, and sine and cosine have a period of 2 pi. Okay, so then I'm also going to write 6 theta equals, our other one was 5 pi thirds plus pi n. So what we're going to do first is we're going to get theta by itself, so we're going to times by 1/6. So I get theta equals 2 pi 18ths plus pi 6n. And this one I get theta. I'm going to do the same thing, times this by 1/6. Oh, and it froze. Okay. I don't know if that what cut out, but we're timesing this one by 1/6 as well. So theta equals 5 pi 18ths plus pi 6n. So if it wanted just a general, all the answers, that would be it. But we want from 0 to 2 pi. So we're going to start with 2 pi 18ths, and we could actually simplify that. So theta equals pi ninths plus pi 6n. Okay, so same thing, we just simplified that, and it seems like this is blurry, so give me a second. There we go. That's better. So I'm going to take, and I'm going to put right here, theta equals, I'm going to take pi ninths, and I'm going to add pi 6. So if I'm going to add pi ninths and pi 6, I need a common denominator. And actually 18 was a good one. So this is the same thing as 2 pi 18ths plus 3 pi 18ths. Okay, so real quick, my first answer is going to be pi ninths, or 2 pi 18ths, same thing, because that is one of our solutions. Then if I add that, I get 5 pi 18ths. And then if I add 3 pi 18ths, sorry, 8 pi 18ths, and 8 pi 18ths is going to reduce to 4 pi 9ths. And then I'm going to add 3 pi 18ths again, which is 11 pi 18ths. And then add 3 pi 18ths again, so 14 pi 18ths. And 14 pi 18ths reduces to 7 pi 9ths. And then add 3 pi 18ths, so that's 17 pi 18ths. 17 pi 18ths, and we're close to pi, and we need to go all the way to 2 pi, so I'm only halfway there. So then I'm going to keep adding. I'm going to add 3 pi 18ths, and I get 20 pi 18ths, which reduces down to 10 pi 9ths. I'm going to do that, 10 pi 9ths. And we're just going to keep adding 3 pi 18ths until we get close to 2 pi. As soon as I get to 2 pi or go over 2 pi, I'm outside of my interval, because I can't go to 2 pi exactly, and I can't go over 2 pi. So I'm going to just write down the answer. So 10 pi 9ths is where we left off, then 23 pi 18ths, then 13 pi 9ths, then 29 pi 18ths, and then 16 pi ninths. So that would be our answer. Okay.